Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we'll learn how you can unlock FPS on Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all this set properly. So let's begin. So as you can see that the FPS on Roblox right now are about 60, but they are not going above it. That's because Roblox has a 60 frames per second cap. Now to remove it, follow the steps. First of all, open up any type of browser and search for Roblox FPS Unlocker. Open up the first site that comes up and select the download and the following file from it. After downloading the file, open it and run it. It will take about a second to load up, and after it loads up, look for it in the system icon tray at the bottom and right click on it and tweak its settings. You can simply toggle on or off any of the settings and you are done. Now just open up your Roblox application and play the games you want without any FPS cap. You can check FPS on Roblox by pressing Shift plus F5, and that's how you can unlock FPS on Roblox. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.